In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme color on Google Chrome tutorial. If you're tired of the default look, this simple walkthrough will help you give Chrome a fresh coat of paint in just a moment, no add-ons required. First, open a new tab in Chrome. The new tab page is where Chrome keeps quick access to customization, so it's the easiest place to start. Look down to the bottom right corner of that page and click the Customize Chrome button. The moment you click it, a side panel appears on the right with all your appearance options gathered in one place. This panel is designed to be straightforward, so you can preview changes instantly without hunting through settings. Inside the panel, find the Appearance section. You'll see a row of colorful circles, each representing a preset theme color. Go ahead and click any color you like. As soon as you do, Chrome updates the look of your tabs, toolbar, and menus right away. There's no extra save button to worry about. It applies automatically. Try a deep blue for a sleek, focused feel, a bright orange for a bold pop of energy, or anything in between. The nice part is that nothing about your browsing changes except the look, so you can experiment freely without affecting your bookmarks, extensions, or history. If you want something even more precise, choose the custom color option in that same section. This opens a color picker where you can slide through hues and adjust saturation and brightness until you land on the exact shade you have in mind. It's perfect if you're matching a brand color or coordinating with your desktop wallpaper. If you know a specific hex code, those 6-digit color codes designers use, you can type or paste it in to get a pixel-perfect match instantly. Chrome will apply your custom shade across the interface, just like the presets. As you explore, remember that all of these changes take effect immediately and can be switched again at any time from the same panel. You're never locked in, so feel free to try a few options and see which one feels the most comfortable for long sessions. A softer color can reduce visual fatigue, while a high contrast tone can make active tabs easier to spot. And that's it. You've customized Chrome's theme color and made the browser reflect your style. Your browser, your look, you're all set. Done.